Liquid and gas, as you increase the temperature, you will go from liquid to gas, it will go, that's called vaporization, and it's boiling at that time, right? So actually this point should be the boiling point. Okay, so if you do this, that should be the boiling point, which is what? Normal boiling point is 200. 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, great. Now, this line we do not know how it is. And that's why I put it like that, because we have to decide, will it be this way, or is it going to be that way? It could be either way. It depends what the substance is, right? It depends if it's like carbon dioxide or water. One time it goes this way. If it's water, it goes like this. If it's CO2, most substances go like this, right? If it's water, it goes like this, but almost all other substances go like that. But we don't know. The problem does not tell us. So we need to figure it out. What does it say? That the melting point is 25 degrees Celsius. If I put it this way, then at 1 atmosphere, normal melting point should be less than 20. But it tells me it's 25. So and this is 20, from the triple point is 20, so it's 25. Well, then it cannot be that way, right? So it has to be, therefore, that way, with a positive slope, right, like this. This way now makes sense. 1 atmosphere, this is solid, this is liquid, this is equilibrium, it's melting. So this is going to give me, at 1 atmosphere there, normal melting point, which tells me so much, 25, and it's bigger than 20. So it makes sense. You see that? So it's a good problem because you really have to think about how to figure out what line is going to be positive slope or negative slope. From this value, the relative value of triple point temperature, 20 degrees Celsius, and normal melting point 25, the relative values tell us the line which way will go. Everybody got it? Okay, great. Well, I'll show you something now here, and you will understand. You already know why, but teacher wants to really emphasize to you the fact, the great fact that one of the greatest teachers that teacher considers on earth today is the chancellor of the so-called Amrita University. It's spelled like this. It's called Amrita University. And I'll show you something that the Chancellor has said about relaxation, which is very important, absolutely significant what she has said. And that Amrita University in India is the fastest growing university in the country of India right now. 5 different campuses, state-of-the-art engineering departments and medical school, state-of-the-art, with all the in the world. And it's the fastest growing university in India. Started 10 years ago, and it's already about 20,000 students. And the chancellor, which is called kind of Amma, he goes by the name of Amma. She has incredible teaching, and your teacher likes her teaching a lot. So I'll show you now what she said about relaxation, which is absolutely profound statements. Teacher finds it absolutely true. And that's why before he comes to his lecture or whatever he does, he will just have a tambourine or something and have some fun, and then does whatever he does. And everything flows like this. Teacher has found perfect agreement with these words in his life. And he hopes that you will do the same thing, to find perfect agreement with your life or what this statement says. And that's why these 2 girls, two of my top students from the freshman seminar, they were kind enough to come up for a certain time. They come for a certain time to, one of them sings and the other one plays music. So we're going to have fun. So you can come here, you got your ukulele? Great.
I'm Sherry.
I'm UN, like UN.
So we're going to perform like 2 or 3 songs for you guys to de-stress, because you guys look stressed out. Okay, the first song that we're going to sing is Sunday Morning by Maroon 5.
Clouds
The leaves of the glass, if you squeeze them, you know, even the one that is kind of hard, it's called mucus, and that one is called, I always have problem with its name. I'm going to put online the pictures and the names of these two things. I couldn't find them. When I was searching, I couldn't find them, show them to you. But I have them somewhere. I'll find them and send it to you so you know what it is. But the mucus, if you squeeze it, you know, it smells really good. Both of them are on campus, right? They're all around. There is a message on the little plane that you got, right? There is a message. Can I have one? The plane? Oh, that's great. So there's a message there that teacher wants you to always keep in mind. This is a message that teacher wants you to always take. Not just today and tomorrow, always. So if you can get a plane today, you'll get probably next time, next session, right? This can become a plane again. Right? You want it? Okay. You can make a plane, but we can do it that way. Okay.